How to use two SIM on iPhone 14. If you want to use two SIM cards on iPhone 14, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, I'm assuming you already have a physical SIM card inside your phone, right? Now once you already make sure to have a physical SIM card and then you want to go ahead and then add another SIM card, you can do this with the feature of eSIM. So you can open up settings, then you could simply go to Cellular. From Cellular, you could scroll down and go to the option called Add eSIM. Now here you have two options to add an eSIM. One is that you can either add it by using a QR code or by scanning a QR code or by setting up one, right? So just scan the QR code to set up your eSIM. Or you can choose to transfer from your previous iPhone as well. So if you have a previous iPhone, you can tap on transfer from a nearby iPhone, and once you've done that, you'll be able to set up your another SIM card on your iPhone 14 or whichever iPhone it is. It doesn't really matter. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.